Starting a POD business sounds exciting, but if ever wondered, why didn't it sell? You are not alone. In fact, many entrepreneurs face this frustration. Today, we are going to dive into the 4 major mistakes people make when they enter the POD industry, and how you can avoid them to increase your chances of success. Let's jump right in. Mistake 1. Jump in without research. One of the biggest mistakes people make is diving into the POD business without proper research. You might think that you are ready to start selling, but the truth is, the first step is also the most difficult one. Why? Because you need to understand the market. To research potential, it's essential to research potential suppliers, products, and trends. Make use of search engines and explore dropshipping platforms. Start by looking at the most popular products and pay attention to what's trending. Platforms like Printkk or Printkk offer tons of options, but knowing which products have a demand can help you focus your efforts. Mistake 2. Assuming the market is saturated. Another mistake entrepreneurs make is assuming the market is too saturated. The key is to find a niche market with room for growth. Here is a great tip. Instead of focusing solely on the volume of products being sold, pay attention to the speed at which they are selling. This helps you identify a niche that not only popular, but also has growth potential. Another important factor is patience. Once you find your niche, stick with it. It may take time, but sticking to a well-defined market and being consistent is crucial for long-term success. Mistake 3. Thinking you don't need to learn anymore. One of the biggest misconceptions in POD industry is that once you have launched your store, you don't need to learn anymore. This is simply not true. To succeed, you need to constantly different product variants, styles, and mockups. Platforms like Printkk offer a wide range of product variants, so don't be afraid to mix things up. Experimenting helps you find what resonates best with your audience. Mistake 4. Thinking organizing your store is a waste of time. As your POD business grows, you might find that your designs are piling up. This is when many entrepreneurs make the mistakes of thinking organizing their store is a waste of time. But trust me, it's not. Having an organized store is crucial for clarity and efficiency. When your designs and products are structured properly, you can easily track what is selling well and what isn't. If you wait too long to organize, it can become overwhelming, and your store might start to look unprofessional. This will save your time in the long run and help you stay focused on growing your business. So, to recap, avoid these 4 common mistakes. Don't rush in without research. Don't assume the market is saturated. Never stop learning and always stay organized. Starting a POD business is a journey, and while it's easy to get discouraged at times, the key is to be patient, persistent, and continually adapt. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with the right strategies, you can make your POD business a success. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and insights. See you next time.